Satnam and welcome, Salimah here from YogaVision Online. Welcome to our YouTube channel. And if you've made it here, it's because Kundalini Yoga is of interest to you. And I'm happy for that because this is one of the most transformative yoga practices I've ever come across. So welcome. And the question today is Kundalini Yoga hard? There's only two answers. The first one is no, it's not particularly hard. The movements are straightforward. We're always modifying as we go. There's always a good amount of breath work. There's pauses in between, so nothing runs too quickly or too slowly. It's a really even-paced type of experience. And as you can tell from the times of the videos, most of it's fairly short. So that's the easy answer. No, it's not hard. And then the other answer is, yeah, it is. It's challenging because what happens when we start to tune the nervous system, when we start to sit down and enter into silence and enter into quiet, there are truths that come up. And there's no easy way to say that, but sometimes the truth is difficult to accept. And that's probably where most of the challenge around the practice comes from. Sometimes our bodies offer us resistance. I can't do that posture. It doesn't feel right. It hurts. It's boring. It's too long. All of those things are the mind saying, let me out of here. I don't want to do this work. I don't want to uncover what comes next. And guess what? That's where the juicy stuff is. And that's the truth of it. And once you get a little bit more comfortable with getting into the uncomfortable, then your practice feels like a joy. Then your practice feels like something you look forward to, because that little discomfort turns into clarity. And that little piece of unknowing turns into focus. And that little piece of, I don't know what to do next, turns into clarity. And that's really powerful and impactful. So that's my answers for you. Nope, it's not hard. Yeah, it's pretty hard. And remember that it's all a journey. So today, when you sit down and do a practice, it will be different from what you did yesterday. Because you're different, your body's different, the day is different. And tomorrow, the same thing will happen. So if you're committing to a practice, a 40-day practice, for example, and today seems a little challenging, don't worry, tomorrow will be different, and the day after that will be different again. And you can ride all of that because you want to, and because it's good for you and also for everyone that you come into contact with. Think about it this way. Every morning we wake up and we brush our teeth. We do that to keep clean ourselves, and we do that to keep the people around us pleasant, let's put it that way. And that's a two-way street. We do it for ourselves, we do it for others. Same as meditation, same as practicing. When we're taking care of our mental hygiene, then we have great impact in the world. And that's what this practice is really all about. Raising consciousness so that we can be better and the whole human race can be better. So that's the answer for today. Thank you very much for writing in and asking these really powerful and impactful questions. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist. If you like what we're doing here, hit the like and subscribe. We'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below. Let us know where you're coming from. And drop me an email, love.yogavision@gmail.com, and ask for a numerology consult. That's a way that you and I can interact personally, and I can help set you up with your own personal Kriya and meditation. Satnam. Until next time.